Loving students, good morning to everybody. I am Vinay Kumar. I am going to continue standard 9th Beehive, the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Today I will start from 11th paragraph. Firstly I read, then with difficult words. In 2001, Ustad Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. With the coveted award resting on his chest and his eyes glinting with rare happiness, he said, "All I would like to say is, teach your children music. This is Hindustan's richest tradition. Even the best is now coming to learn our music." In spite of having travelled all over the world, Khan Sahab, as he is fondly called, is exceedingly fond of Benares and Dumrao, and they remain for him the most wonderful towns of the world. A student of his once wanted him to head a Shehnai school in the USA, and the student promised to recreate the atmosphere of Benares by replicating these temples there. But Khan Sahab asked him if he would be able to transport river Ganga as well. Later he is remembered to have said, "That is why whenever I am in a foreign country, I keep yearning to see Hindustan. While in Mumbai, I think of only Benares and the holy Ganga. And while in Benares, I miss the unique mutt of Dumrao." Ustad Bismillah Khan's life is a perfect example of the rich cultural heritage of India, one that effortlessly accepts that a devout Muslim like him can very naturally play the Shehnai every morning at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Now I come to the difficult words. Now come to the word meanings. Coveted means much in demand, glinting means flashing, rare means uncommon, richest means invaluable, tradition means the transmission of customs or beliefs from generation to generation. Fondly means with love, exceedingly means in excess, wonderful means extremely good, promised means assured someone, recreate means make again, replicating means copying, yearning means strong desire, perfect means exact, cultural means relating to culture, heritage means relating to tradition, effortlessly means easily, devout means believing strongly in a religion and obeying its laws and following its practices. Prolonged means for a very long time. In 2001, Ustad Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award, which is the Bharat Ratna, in 2001. Ustad Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, in 2001. With the coveted means much in demand, award resting on his chest, he was putting the award on his chest, and at that moment his eyes were glinting means shining, with rare means uncommon, happiness means joy. At this moment he declared, "All I would like to say." Bismillah Khan wanted to say that you must give the lesson of the music to your children. because this is Hindustan's richest tradition. And this is the richest tradition which it is also wanted to learn the Western people. And they are coming to learn our music also. In spite of having traveled all over the world, Bismillah Khan had traveled all over the world, and he is with love called Khan Sahab, and is exceedingly fond of. Exceedingly means more than limitation or excess. So Khan Sahab, he was called with love and affection. And in excess, he was very, very fond of Benares and Dumrao. And both the place Benares and Dumrao, they were his most wonderful towns of the world in his mind. There was an incident happened with him. There was a student who wanted to appoint him as the principal or head of the Sahnai school in the USA. And the student also promised, means gave the words, that student would create again the atmosphere, means surroundings of Banaras, that would be copying. Replicating means copying or imitating the duplicate temple or fake temples there. But Khan Sahab replied to him that if he would be able to transport river Ganga as well, you would be able. Transport means here bring the river Ganga here. But that student was not eligible to transport river Ganga in America. Later, after some time, Khan Sahab, he remembered and said, this is the reason that whenever Khan Sahab lives in a foreign country, he has keen desire to see Hindustan, extremely desire to see Hindustan. When he is in Mumbai, he thinks of only Banaras and the pious river, the Ganga. And when while he is in Banaras, he says that I miss means here remember. Then he remembers the unique mott also of Dumrao. There is also the declaration from the Reader's Digest, October 2005. There is a person, his name is Shekhar Gupta. When he asked Bismillah Khan, partition means division of the thing. When partition happened means occurred, he asked, didn't you and your family? Shekhar Gupta asked Bismillah Khan that when there was the division of Pakistan, did you and your family think of settle in Pakistan? Then there was the reply of Bismillah Khan to Shekhar Gupta was that God forbid. Forbid means check. Then he said that God has forbidden me to leave Banaras. He has said never to leave Banaras. Then Bismillah Khan occurred, recited an event, and said that when Bismillah Khan went to Pakistan once, he crossed the border, and soon he said that he was about an hour in Pakistan, and he said Namaskar, addressing with the Namaskar to the Pakistanis, and Salam Alaikum to the inhabitants of India. And after saying this, Bismillah Khan laughed for a while. In this way, Ustad Bismillah Khan's life is a complete example of the rich and cultural heritage of India. One that effortlessly means easily. He easily accepts that he was a devout. Already know devout means believing strongly in a religion and obeying its laws and following its practices. He was a devout Muslim, and being a devout Muslim, he naturally played the Shehnai every morning at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Ustad Bismillah Khan passed away, means died, on 21st August 2006 at the age of 90 after a very long illness. He was given a state funeral, and the government of India declared means announced one day of national mourning. This way, this chapter is completed. Now I give a few questions for practice. Why did Bismillah Khan refuse to start a Shehnai school in the USA? Question number 2. Find at least 2 instances in the text which tell you that Bismillah Khan loves India and Benares. Thank you. Keep learning and do practice. This way, this chapter is over.